Everybody's watching. They say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you, so I'm ready for this, yeah. Put it in the papers, our love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I can see the people, I see them crowding in, yeah. For many different reasons, we're winning every season. We're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't lose. No, my heart is trained forever. We play this game together. I'm winning, girl, with you. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive. In love we play to win. Everybody's out there, everyone we know. Strangers rooting for us, family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want, the stakes are high. This is our World Series game. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive, 'cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win. And we're gonna win. Oh, let me tell you something. I wake up every morning and I'm only thinking of you. I can hear a lot of people saying we ain't meant to be together. Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, 'cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm showing you the better and the finer things that someone never dare to dream. It's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team. I know I'm gonna win this game. My wedding's gonna be insane. I told you I'ma marry you, and we gon' have a lot of kids, and they gon' go to college from the house we bought and raised them in.